Brad Williams, Excel Prime, here using choose rows and text split. We're going to do the exact same thing as we did with choose call, but here we use choose rows, and we're going to use this quasi-list, my term. We're going to take 3, 5, 7, 10 and pretend those are our rows. Text split's going to manipulate that information, throw it into choose rows, and it's going to spit out this information. What is it? Row 3. Here's 1, 2, 3. Row 3. Row 5. Row 7. Row 10. Here's the anatomy. What's a little different here? We have this text split. Let's just split a string or a text into a list across columns and rows based on whatever delimiters you're using. What's a delimiter? That comma is the delimiter. We're going to split this thing up. Wherever there is a comma, we're going to split that up. I'm going to show up as this 3, 5, 7, 10 in brackets. See down here in the narrative? We have this 3, 5, 7, 10. That is what text split does. Then it just passes that on over into choose rows. But we see this times 1. Well, anytime we're working with text split, that is text. And we have to convert that over into something readable within Excel. It's going to be a 3 in parentheses, a 5 in parentheses within text split. Multiply that times 1, and it's going to give us 3, 5, 7, 9. The text split is going to be converted over into this double bracket deal under the hood. We won't be able to see it. And this is what really pisses me off, because we can't see what's going on here, and I can't explain what's going on. Under here, we used to hit F9 in the good old bad Excel. Now it's just bad Excel. I don't know. Maybe the paid version allows you to dive in here and manipulate this stuff. Let me know. Here's the output over here in the narrative. When I said the 3, 5, 7, this is the output in an array. I have to use that word array because actually this is an array because it's buried around the curly brackets. Multiply that times 1, and it's going to be 3, 5, 7, 10. It is a discrete or Boolean, and we have to manipulate that over into readable language. Work it out if you're stumped. No Excel, this 365 is not helpful. Not at all. From a tutorials perspective, read it if you need it. Take a look at this anatomy, split it up, hit F9, and it's not crashing yet. We'll get into the text manipulation where Excel really blows up. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.